Hello, this is Glenn Yancey, one of the system consultants with InSource Solutions. Today I'm going to discuss a common error that we see when installing the OI Core software. That error is unable to load pre-OI Core install customform.dll due to error, could not load file or assembly. This error has to do with the operating system and the DLLs that are inside the zip file. To resolve this error message and any other error message that may come up with unable to load, whatever the name of the file is, .dll, will be resolved by doing this solution. So first, locate the OI Core software that you have installed. After download, right-click and go to its properties. By doing so, you will see in the dialog box there's a button there that says Unblock. That has to be selected in order to resolve the DLL issues. This unblock may not appear in all operating systems, but some operating systems will come up with that unblock. After that is done, the next step would be to extract all the files in that zip file to a folder and proceed with the installation by selecting the setup.exe. It is also our recommendation, after installing the OI Core, to go to any additional driver that you are installing for that, such as the ABTCP or ABCIP. Go to its properties and also select Unblock there. Although there may not be any DLLs, this would resolve any potential installation issues. Thank you very much for watching this quick video.